Hey folks, in this video I'm going to introduce you Node Package Manager, or we can say NPM. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So as we seen in our previous video, this is the code of basic routing in Node.js. And you can see this code is looking quite messy. And if you want to do this in easy manner, so you need Express module. And for Express module, we can use NPM. So NPM is a huge ecosystem that providing or managing third-party modules. Let's say I'm just providing here Express and press enter, search, and you can see this is Express module. This is the basic code, and if I want to use this Express module in my application, then you can see this is the command for installing Express in my system. So let's just copy and let's open our CMD and let's paste npm install Express, press enter. So our Express is installed, and you can see this node modules folder. After installation, you will see this kind of module folder, and you can see here Express folder. So this is our module, and this all files are dependency to use this Express module. So if we uninstall this, let's say I want to uninstall Express, press enter, then you will see, let me refresh this, and you will see there is no Express folder in this file. You can see. So Express is already deleted or uninstalled from the system. Of course, we are not using Express in this video, but in further videos we are going to use this Express in Node.js. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.